Alright, we just got back from Switzerland and there's our bus right there rolling up. What's up, dude? Welcome home! Alright, we're in the bus. Scott's been working on and everyone's loving it. Did you know what the name of this bus is? It's the SS Bilbo Swagons. Do you like it? Woo!
Love it. I love the dark wood.
How long have we been in a plane for now? Like
14 hours.
14?
Yeah, it has its own pump. And we have cold right now, but that's fine. Really, I mean.
A motorhome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Yeah, you gotta turn this on to actually have the good vibes, right?
So how much water's in here? Like
25 gallons?
7 gallons.
7? Oh,
Yeah.
7?
gallon tank? Okay.
Oh, so this is the tank right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
All the surfaces have a polyurethane.
Dude, I can't believe how nice this looks with the
Really
coating
great.
and the
This was-
sanding and everything.
This was the second time. The first time
Looks so nice like
the
that.
first time we did epoxy and it turned into a disaster. So we
Oh.
we had to do a redo.
Oh, really?
And this is the second time, and this one turned out nicer.
It looks
actually.
so good, and the concrete looks great. This deck is so cool.
The deck on top's pretty killer too.
Well, child, do you like it?
It's amazing. Like I cannot even believe
Or does it make you excited to go on trips in it?
it. It really does. Actually. And that's coming far for me.
Yeah, Chell has had a hard time warming up to like going on trips on in the bus. But I thought
It's understandable.
once she sees it, then she maybe be excited about it. Well, Riley, we got our own bus now. And how cool that we got picked up with the final bus at an airport, and the bus is an airport shuttle. Cool, right? It's gonna be a fun times. Riley, do you love your bus? Do you love your bus, Jax? It's quite the bus. Now we see it in the daytime. So this bus is like the ultimate meet and greet machine. I mean, anywhere you go, people walk up and they are just obsessed. I pull up to the gas station to fix a door and some guy named Charles walks up, shows me a picture of a bus he just bought, almost the exact same one, throws his kid in the car and says, hey, follow me, I want to fix the bolt on your door. So this thing is a movement. This is Converted Bus Nation. We're going over to his fabrication shop right now. We got his kid with us. He doesn't even have it. He doesn't even know who we are. Just throws his kid in our bus.
And it's just seized, so it wouldn't come off anyway, so it needs to be cut off anyway, so.
Oh, I see.
So Travis is crazy. Just throwing that out there. Got home. Well, it was too late to drive home last night. We were all so tired from jet lag. We just got a hotel in in Brigham City. We got his bus and everyone like is stopping us everywhere like, what the heck? So we get to the gas station. Anyways, so we go and we're at the gas station and Travis gets stopped by this guy and he's like, dude, I just bought a bus. This is the coolest thing ever. And Travis is like talking to him about buses, obviously nerding out. And he's like, yeah. And Travis was like, yeah, I can't get this, something is being weird with it or whatever. It's making some weird noise with the door. So he's trying to shut the door and the guy's like, oh, come over to my shop. And he has like his 4-year-old son and he's like, hey, just put my son in your bus with you and come over to my shop. And I'm like, okay, you're just gonna just trusted some random guy to, luckily, well, we have our 2 kids, so I don't think he thinks that we would do anything with his kid, but very trusting guy. So we bring his kid over and we're at his shop now, and you have to see where we are. Like, we've been on a 13-hour flight. I'm ready to get home, and now we've been here for an hour.
This
I don't even know where we are, to be honest. But we are at some guy's shop in Utah. Rural Utah something. And the kids are just playing with Oakley. Hanging out. This is our lives. And there's Laura. Walking in. There's Grandma.
Hey!
Mom, do you have any idea where we are?
Didn't work, obviously. So yeah, I'm about right.
Well, it's so funny the people you meet. This guy named Charles in Garland, he spent an hour and a half, 2 hours working on the bus. And I paid him a little bit for it out of thanks, but he would have done it for free just because of this shared bus passion.
I don't even know what that is. So we literally are in Boise at a stoplight going home. And Travis is like, stopped. And all of a sudden he's like, my car won't go. No, the bus won't go. So yeah, I don't know what happened, but we are now waiting for a tow truck. So yesterday we flew, what is that? How many hours did we fly yesterday? 20 total? And then drove 5 hours, and within 2 minutes of being home, the bus won't drive. Awesome. Story of our lives. So we're back, and Riley had to have her birthday in Switzerland. So... Oh my god! Who did this for you? What do you say to Grandpa? Oh my gosh! This is so cute, Grandpa! Riley didn't get to have her birthday, so this is what Grandpa did for her. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that I cannot get over this. What do you say to Grandpa? You go give him a hug. And then Grandpa also. Holy crap! Oh my goodness, Dad!
Chelsea, look who that is. Right there.
This looks amazing. This is our backyard now. Oh.
All right, so we got back. They're currently towing the bus. We think that the transmission blew, and that maybe there was transmission fluid all over some gas station in Idaho. I'm glad we made it back. I'm really bummed that we had to set back on the bus, but I'm not losing hope. We'll get it fixed and she will be running again.